Do you know what Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft all have in common? They were started in garages. A garage is a great place to start your business, but today we're going to be talking about how you know when it's time to leave the garage. Garages are great places to start businesses because they're low overhead and most people already have one. This makes it a great environment to start your first business and to take those first steps towards growing it. Now, at some point, you're going to want to move out and start working with a 3PL or a warehouse or own your own facility. Now, there's a few things to keep in mind. First is, how are you spending your time? If you're spending your time mostly doing labor-intensive activities like packaging boxes, printing labels, running them to the post office, rather than revenue-generating activities like focusing on sales, content, product curation, it might be time to think about using a 3PL or going out and hiring some staff. As a business owner, it's important to put revenue first. If the activities you are doing are not directly leading to revenue generation, you should have somebody else doing that for you. If you feel like the greatest share of your time is spent doing these non-revenue generating activities, it might be time to contact a 3PL. The next point is space. A garage is a physical location, and all physical locations have set dimensions. You can only fit so much stuff in your garage, even if you were to clean it out and fill it to the brim. Because of this, you're going to reach a point where you can't store any more inventory in your house and your garage, and you're going to have to find somewhere else to put it. This is a great opportunity to contact the 3PL or to go out and purchase a larger facility. You can't make more space in your garage, but you can go out and find a better suited location to handle your inventory as you begin to grow. The next sign that you're ready to leave the garage is you begin to have organization problems. When you start having a ton of inventory, it's going to start getting mixed in with your personal items and possibly even damaged merchandise or returns. This is no good because we all know how much trouble you can get into on Amazon by accidentally sending somebody a damaged or returned item. If you are having trouble keeping organized, keeping track of your inventory, knowing where your inventory is at, doing mundane tasks like labeling and keeping track of packaging supplies, it might be time to move up into a 3PL or acquire a facility that is more accommodating for the organization level that you will need to run your business. The next sign that you are ready to move up from a garage to a 3PL or a warehouse is technology costs. As you grow, you're going to need things like shelving, like scales, like wrapping machines, like pallet jacks. And these are just the physical assets. You're also going to need software programs to keep track of inventory, to purchase shipping labels. And these can get really pricey. In no time, you can be spending thousands of dollars a month on equipment and softwares. This might be the moment to start researching 3PLs or possibly looking into upgrading to a larger facility if you're going to have to start purchasing these assets. Because you're going to need a place to put them, or you're going to just have to hire somebody who already owns them. Outgrowing your garage is not a bad thing. It means that your business is growing. It means that you are building something and that you are going to be successful. It is important that you know when to graduate from the garage into a 3PL or a larger facility to ensure that your business grows on an upward trajectory. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. It means a lot to us and it helps to support the channel. Please check us out on social media and interact with us. We love interacting with our viewers and we hope that you'll be back to see some of our future videos. We're posting weekly and we'd love to have you.